Hey everyone! Welcome to our tutorial, where we'll show how to add and customize breadcrumbs to improve navigation on Gutenberg using essential blocks. To get started, click on the Essential Blocks tab in the left side panel of your WordPress dashboard. Next, navigate to the Blocks tab. From the list of blocks, toggle to turn on the Breadcrumbs block under the Dynamic Blocks section. The Breadcrumbs block will be instantly enabled on your WordPress website. Let's add a new post on the website. Click on the plus icon to add the block where you want. Type in breadcrumbs in the search bar. Select the block from the search results by clicking on it. Under the General tab, toggle to enable or disable the Show Home Page option under Settings. Next, toggle to enable the Show Prefix option. Select the icon for the prefix type and separator type under the Icon tabs. From the Style tab, adjust the hover typography by setting its color. Increase or decrease the icon size of the separator. You can also adjust the right gap of the prefix. In the Advanced tab, customize the background. You may also select a border style like groove under border and shadow. Set a border color in the same place. To save all your changes, click on the Publish button at the top. Congratulations! This is how easily you can add and customize breadcrumbs using essential blocks. Let's have a preview. As you can see, the breadcrumbs block has been added to the post according to our selected settings. To add breadcrumbs to your WooCommerce products, make sure you have the WooCommerce plugin installed. From your WordPress admin dashboard, navigate to the Appearance tab on the left side and click on the Editor option. Then, go to the Templates tab and select the WooCommerce option. Choose and add a single product template to add it to your page. Next, in your preferred place, click on the plus icon and add the breadcrumbs block. Now, you can customize and adjust the block however you want as shown previously. Remember to click the Save button once you are done. As you can see, the WooCommerce single product is visible with our added breadcrumbs block. Don't forget to like and share the video. Subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. Good luck with your Gutenberg experience.